that. I've been impaled. Now I'm perfect. Hey, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Now I'm perfect.
Hi guys, welcome back to Disney Frozen Collector. Today I have this Disney Frozen My Friends Olaf book Play a Sound. This is a book is a sound. How to sound this is to read the book. When Elsa uses her magical powers to make Olaf the snowman, she met one of the best friends ever. Olaf loved to play with his friends Elsa and Anna. His own snow flurry kept him cool even when he's running fast enough to pop his buttons. Now this. Olaf loved his friends, and they love him too. Now Olaf has a friendship song to sing. They're all pals. Let's sing. They're all pals, really all pals, always together in all kinds of weather, sun or snow, or friendly below. Give me for friendship, my jolly old pals. Let's sing again. They're all pals, jolly old pals, always together in all kinds of weather, sun or snow, or 40 below. Give me for friendship, my jolly old pals. And this is okay? This is a song. This is a battery. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and please like and subscribe and new one coming. Bye!